Rhythmic breathing. Simple, cool breath, 22 medium breaths, and 33 quick breaths.
Who not cool, giving movement and measurement. We sending it, the sedentary sediment and sentiments are disassembled as we progress on the regimen.
Beyond boundaries, everything aroused me. God is all around me, look within and I found it. Beyond boundaries, everything around.
Yo, what's up everybody? Today we're going to talk about rhythmic breathing. This is a really simple, cool breath that is founded from many lineages. There's no real certain where did this come from because rebirthing breathwork uses it. Sudarshan Kriya Yoga uses it. Tumo breathing uses it. Many practices use this one universally effective breath. And our guest teacher, Illuminati Congo, is going to be able to also share with you his specific version of it that he got passed down from his teacher, Leonard Orr, with rebirthing breathwork. And they have a really great formula, which is 11 breaths, 22 breaths, and 33 breaths. It's 11 full slow breaths, 22 medium breaths, and 33 quick breaths. But these just aren't any breaths. These breaths are through the nose. The moment that you're filled, immediately there's no time in between inhalation and exhalation. There's a really profound thing that happens in the body as we have these rhythmic breaths. Congo even goes as far to have some of his breathwork sessions be over 3 hours long of rhythmic breathing, and I find that to be extremely intense. And I've yet to do that. I'm completely willing and open to try that. I've gotten about an hour and a half in. That was even still with some miniature pauses throughout the session. He said 3 hours, no moments to chill, just constant. 3 hours alternating between slow ones, fast ones, and medium-sized breaths. Now that's really intense, and I've yet to experience that, but I have spent at least an hour and a half plenty of times for the majority of that hour and a half consistently doing long connected breaths, medium connected breaths, and short connected breaths, and that is one heck of a ride. So look forward to one of the next sessions with Illuminati Congo, going over the rebirthing breathwork, and below, here's a Beyond Boundaries breathwork session for you right now. Okay.